Okay, so the data that we're looking at here represents the cost of college, the average tuition and fees charged by public four-year colleges and universities for the 1980 to 2013 academic years. So what we want to do here is make a time plot of this data so we can see the pattern over time. So to do that, I'm going to highlight both the year and the college cost. So I'll highlight both of those columns. And on the insert menu, the best place or the easiest way I found to find this is to go to recommended charts. And I'm going to pick this one that has the dots and then the line connecting them. Okay, so we'll insert that and we'll give this a title, Cost of College. And then we should label this vertical axis here that this is in dollars. So these are US schools. So I'll go to add chart element and my axis title, the vertical one. We'll say cost and I'll put dollars so we know what the units are. All right, so this graph shows us a nicely increasing. Well, not so nicely since you're the ones paying for your tuition, but it's showing us a nice, just basic increasing graph. One thing I do want to show you is, let's say, for example, that we didn't have this data from 1992. So for some reason, we just didn't know what the average cost was. And I take that piece out. Now you notice that there's a hole here in my graph. So in a time plot, if there's a hole there, then there should be no line connecting these. Okay, so those lines should only be connecting values that come one after the other, consecutive values.